Alright, so I think this is recording. Let's this time the directions have changed. Let's rewrite this equation that is currently in log form in exponential form. So let's identify the base as 16. A logarithm equals an exponent. So 16 squared is equal to 256. This is the log form that was given, and this is the exponential form that they wanted. So we're done. Alright, let's look at the next one. I think the directions are the same. I didn't post the directions, but it's still a log equation. Let's rewrite it in exponential form. The base is 8. A logarithm equals an exponent, so the log equals 2 here. And 8 squared is equal to 64. That's what they wanted, the exponential form. Alright, so let's continue. The base is 19. A logarithm equals an exponent, so it's negative 2. A negative exponent never makes our answer negative. It does change the location of the base within a fraction. So 19 squared is 361. So let's rewrite, oops, rewrite this log equation, this log form, to exponential form. The base this time is a fraction. That's okay. Our base has to be positive and not equal to 1. Alright, so this base is a logarithm equals an exponent. If we square 1/7, we get 1 over 49. So that's the exponential form. These two equations say the same thing, but in different forms. Alright. So this base is 2, and 2 raised to the k power is equal to 116. Now we don't know k is a real number. Let's see, 2 to the 6th power is 64. 2 to the 7th power is 128. So this k is not going to be an integer value if you solve for it. But it's not asking us to solve for it. It just is asking us to rewrite from one form to another form. Alright, do the same thing here. Base is 15. Logarithm equals an exponent. 15 raised to the 18th power, a very large number, is equal to x. That's it. The top equation is log form. The bottom equation is exponential form. And that's what they're asking for. Alright. The base here is y. All we know about y is that it has to be positive and not equal to 1. The logarithm is equal to an exponent, so this is y to the negative 19th power, and that's equal to x. Alright. This log form equation can be rewritten as an exponential form equation. The base is 13. Logarithm equals the exponent. 13 to the kth power is equal to 121. Now it wants us to go in the other direction. It's given us the exponential form and saying rewrite this in logarithmic form. The base is 36. The logarithm equals the exponent and this value. Now, we can't take the log of 0. We can't take the log of a negative number. But remember that our base here on the left has to be greater than 0, not equal to 1. Negative exponents don't make your answer negative. So if this is a true statement, then we won't be taking the log of a negative. I shouldn't say if it's a true statement. If it's an exponential form as we defined an exponential function, then we will not have to take the log of 0 or have to take the log of a negative number. We can only take the log of a positive value. Alright. So this is log base 4 of 16 is equal to this exponent of 2. This guy is log base 13 of 169 is equal to this exponent 2. This is log base 8 of 1 over 64 is equal to negative 2. And this is log base u of 119. That's terrible looking. There we go. Is equal to that exponent v. So I've got log base 20 b. Hey! Is equal to, hey, Mr. Medworth just came in. Alright, I'm back. So it's over the weekend, and Mr. Medworth and I are the only ones in the building, I think, right now. Alright. He's going out to look at the construction and look at his new room out there, so he was cutting through my emergency exit door back there. Alright, let's move on and see what we have here in these next ones. If we have an exponential equation, they want us to rewrite it as a log equation. So I have log base 2 of 7 is equal to this exponent n. He felt bad. He thought that he was really interrupting something, and I said, nah. I said, I don't know how many people actually listen to the videos, and those that do will just laugh that he came walking through there, so it's no big deal. This isn't a true professional setup. This is just homework solutions. Hey, now is that the end of this assignment? Well, I can double check and see. I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you later.